You can't do bad. No, I'll be wearing it. MILF. You heard it here first. Today I'm getting ready to go and get my son, but I wanted to come through and have a candid conversation with you guys. It's just been on my heart. I wanted to talk to you guys about self-care after becoming a mum. When I was younger, I was free-spirited. I was a baddie. What a baddie as can be, because a baddie back then when I was like late teens, early 20s compared to now, there's two different kind of baddies. But I was in my energy, I was full of life, all of that type of stuff, right? And then I became a mum, and becoming a mum, you kind of start to lose your zest and all of that type of stuff. Because of course, you've got responsibilities and you're just busy living life, doing what you're supposed to do to take care of your kids and maintain. But as I'm getting older, and especially during this year, we had this pandemic going on. Coronavirus! And I've become a mum again, so now I've got 2 children. I'm starting to realize that, well, actually, no, I need to stay in my energy. Like, I need my zestiness back. I need the sauce that made C. Like, And so I've just been doing a lot of work on myself. I have been getting into my energy, doing the things that I love again. Like, I used to do my hair, my nails, my toes used to be on fleek. Everything used to be on point back in the day when I was younger. Like, you would not catch me off beat. I will put some pictures in so that you can see, like, it was a new hairstyle every day. Like, when Cardi said 10 different hairstyles and my hairstyles all kill, yeah, I felt that, because that used to be me. That was me. Like, nobody went telling me nothing. I was fleeky. So yeah, I just say all of this to say that basically I'm starting to just realize that no, just because you're a mum, it doesn't mean that you have to lose your energy. It doesn't mean that you have to lose your zest. It doesn't mean that you have to become boring. Like, who said that just because you're a mum, you can't do sexy? Who said that just because you're a mum, you can't do bad? You can do bad. There's no rules to say, oh, you're a mum now, you shouldn't be dressing like that. Or you're a mum now, why are you behaving in this manner? Of course, you carry yourself with respect. That's a must, that's a given. That's one thing about me that has never changed. But that doesn't mean to say that all of your hot stuff goes out of the window. Like, that's what I'm realizing during this 2020. It's so important for us as women to stay in our feminine energy. Our feminine energy carries us to so many different places, but because a lot of us have grown up without men in the household, so we've grown with masculine moms or whatever, like, we are not, I tell you, a lot of us are not reaching our full potential because we are lacking that feminine energy that we need. And feminine energy is just more stuff like knowing when not to argue, knowing when to shut up. All of us have this attitude and we're like, no, I have to be right, I have to be strong, I have to be this, I have to be that. No, you don't. There is power in your silence and resting in the fact that, nah, I don't need to speak. There is power in having your hair done. There is power in doing your nails. Right now my nails ain't done, but yesterday I painted my toenails for the first time in, I couldn't tell you how long. And these things are important. As small and cliche as they may seem, it is important. And so, yeah, I'm a mum of 2 now, but I tell you this for free. I'm in my feminine MILF energy. Nobody is going to be taking this energy away from me now. Like, I have realized how important it is to embrace myself at all stages of life. It doesn't matter that I'm a mum of 2. It doesn't matter. I need to make sure that I am finding the time. Yeah, just bear me, guys. Because, like I said, I'm a mom, so I need to put on my breast pads because I'm breastfeeding. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, yeah, I'm just saying, guys, that, as we're getting older, we're starting to have children, we're trying to create the lives that we want to live. just make sure that in the midst of you doing that, you still have your self-care on fleek, and you're still doing all the things that you used to do and love, you know, within reason, that you used to do when you were younger. Who remember these hoochie earrings? I saw these on eBay, and I was like, nah, I want some more of these. I used to love these back in the day. I don't know who took them out of fashion, but mate, I'm bringing them back. I set trends. I don't be following them. But yeah, guys. So just stay in your energy as a woman. Enjoy life. There really is no rules to this thing. Like, we are hard on ourselves. We create the pressure for ourselves. Life is really simple. We're the ones that complicate it. And as a mom, I'm not doing that no more. Like, right now, you see me. I've got my breast pads on with a lacy top. You know, that I would have been wearing. By the way, this top I probably bought from eBay for £5. These jogging bottoms are from Primark. They were £5. I bought them a couple of days ago. But yeah, guys, like, don't let life take over. Like I said, I'm now a mother of 2, but I'm not gonna let that stop me from being who I am and who I was. My personality is genuinely bubbly. I'm free-spirited. I love to do things. Like, I'm spontaneous. I love being, you know, I love being the one that's out there having fun and whatever. And yes, although those things have now changed in terms of, no, I can't be out having fun every day or whatever because I have responsibilities. However, when I get the chance to, I'm not going to be doing that whole, oh, but I'm a mum, I can't do this. Oh, I'm a mum, I can't go to a party. Oh, I'm a mum, I can't wear a short skirt. No, I'll be wearing it.
Who gonna check me, boo?
I will be enjoying myself, regardless. I will be getting my nails done. As a matter of fact, I can do nails myself because I am a qualified nail tech. So I will be doing my own nails for Christmas, as we're approaching Christmas. Like, I will be dressing up more. I will be making sure my hair's done. Like, this is my zest. This is my essence. This is my sauce. And I'm not going to waste it just because I'm a mum now. Because with this zest and this sauce and this feminine energy, like I said, doors open, opportunities create themselves. People genuinely just want to speak to you more. Like, the more I'm changing myself to be a lot more calmer, you know, a lot more feminine and girly. Because although I like to do girly things, I'm not a girly person. But the more I'm starting to embrace that side of me, is the more I'm seeing doors opening. Like, it's the more I'm seeing myself becoming more and more creative. It's the more I'm seeing that I'm attracting people who I need and want in my life in order to take myself to next levels and step out of my comfort zone and do things that I would never normally do. Like, I'm starting to do all of them things now because I'm embracing who I am and who I was and who really I've always been, but it's like my feminine energy was under a rock. I'm embracing that person now. So yeah, guys, like I said, it's not easy. It's not going to come naturally for those of us, especially those of us who have, you know, been raised by maybe single moms. You know, that's where doing shadow work comes in. Embracing childhood traumas, working through the things that, you know, had you effed up, and coming out on top so that you can basically live your best life. That's what it's about. Right now, I'm only going to collect my son. But I'm not letting that stop me from doing up sexy, doing up cute, doing up chic X swag. Because with this is energy. Everything is energy. And so right now, me doing this is putting out a positive energy. So yeah, that's my message for you guys today. That's my candid conversation. Like, embrace who you are as a woman, and don't let our womanly experiences in life stop you from embracing the real you. Don't listen to what people say, because people are going to hate no matter what you do. You do good, they're going to have something to say. You do bad, they're going to have something to say. You dress like a nun, they're going to have something to say. Do you understand? So don't let that be the reason why you're trying to stop your own shine. Please don't let that be the reason. Because I tell you this for free, I don't care what. Listen, those who know me know I don't care what. Am I feeling this out of this? No, I'm not. I don't care what people have to say about me. Like, it's what it is, mate. Say what you want to say. Like, your words don't pay my bills, so it is what it is. So please, guys, the world needs more people who are embracing their true selves. Not the fakeness that you see on the gram, okay? Not the fakeness that you see on the roadsides of those trying to stunt and front. Nah, we need more people who are embracing their true selves. We need more women acting and behaving like women. That's what we need in this world. So I say all of this to you guys with complete and utter love in my heart. These are the yaya likes. If you guys have seen my I spent video on Ego shoes, I spent some money, and I bought these yaya likes on eBay, but they came when I was doing my shoes video. So these are my yaya likes. You see me styling these babies? Yeah. But yeah, beautiful people, we are coming to the end because I am almost ready to go. But I do hope you have received my message today. I do hope you've definitely received it. If you guys ever have any questions for me, drop them down in the comment box. As always, I will answer them. Maybe on like a Q&A video. Or if not, I will just answer them in the comments. I try to reply to all of my comments. So if you guys have any questions, then feel free to drop them. I don't know if I'm going to wear this done up. I don't know. I might just rock out with it open, to be fair. Yeah, guys, this is just simple me, because like I said, I'm only going to pick up my son. I'm not going like to do road or anything like that. But I'm embracing me. This is how I used to be. So therefore, getting back into my energy, mum of two or not, MILF. You heard it here first. But yeah, guys, this is me. This is my final outfit. Thank you for getting ready with me. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, I will see you in the next video.